Okay, so I'm just coming up onto your website here, and the first thing I see coming up is that the layout looks really neat. The fonts are all pleasing and everything looks nice. The first thing that really stands out to me is that your font right here, it looks like it's Times New Roman. It doesn't match at all with your other fonts. The next thing is these scroll bars right here. These aren't pleasing. It doesn't really match how your website looks with all the round corners and stuff. This just doesn't match. And then as I was doing that, I saw that there's another bar right here that probably shouldn't be there. Just looking around, everything, I mean, I like that you have a quote right here. It gives some context about what your website is about. I like how there's these animations going around on screen, and yeah, I like that one. The contrast of this is pretty nice. Maybe if you can get it, the ruler and the eraser to be like a blue or something, it'd contrast better with the orange, but this is okay. Looking at this planet right here, it looks like the inside of this is pinkish. I don't know if that's supposed to be pinkish. Maybe change that to white. It looks kind of off color to me. I like how this subscribe button is blue. Maybe try to curve the edges of these boxes just like you had at the top, and you could probably match this red with or take this blue and put it up here where the red is. And to answer your questions, so I already mentioned the stuff I don't really like. I mean, the font right here is off under the font in this this command prompt, I guess, is off. And then I don't really like the scroll things on the command box, and also this color and this color. So what I understand from looking at it for like a couple minutes before I started this video is it seems like it's some sort of AI like therapist thing where it'll answer your questions. I kind of played around with it, but I didn't really do much. It seemed like it was working okay. I got the same question a couple times whenever I was asking this command box some stuff, or I was responding to its questions. For me, I don't think I'd really pay for this service because in general I don't use therapy, and I don't think, like, right now I don't really need it. So maybe in the future, if I need it, then I would consider paying for something like this, but for now I wouldn't pay for it. Maybe if you want to throw up some ads in this open area, something like that, you can gain some money, but for me, I wouldn't want to pay for something like this.